Withdrawing funds from your Venmo account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to transfer your money to your bank account or debit card. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo application on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to your balance. Tap on the icon of the Manage Balance option to view your current Venmo balance. This will show you the amount available for withdrawal. Step 3. Select Transfer to Bank. Once you see your balance, look for the option that says Transfer to Bank or Withdraw. Tap on it to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose Transfer Type. You will be given options for how quickly you want to transfer your funds. Select either Instant for a quick transfer with a fee or 1-3 business days for a standard transfer no fee. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transfer. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and select the bank account or debit card where you want the funds sent. Review the details and confirm the transfer to complete the process. Now you are ready to withdraw your funds from Venmo. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Venmo's help section or contacting their support for assistance.